My son told me of the discussions that he had with you this afternoon.
Is it about Onowo's daughter?
Yes. Now my son has been very faithful and loyal to you. This is the time to reward him and show him some more love.
My queen, Obinna and Ejiofor are both my sons. They deserve equal attention and love from me.
My son has never disrespected you. He has shown you nothing but loyalty. Unlike his brother Ejiofor, who has been causing you trouble after trouble.
Ejiofor has turned from those ways. He has repented.
Ejiofor only repented from his ways because he needed a favor from you.
Woman, allow me to think on this matter. I will take my decision according to the will of the gods. Their ways are not our ways.
We are at peace. We are happy. We are living in peace and harmony. Mama, why? Newa, Ginikinaza. Mbasa tuabidi. Abigidi panja.
Oh, my dear, let's go. May we just go, please? Hi.
1 second, please.
My darling, we cannot keep my friends waiting. No, we can't keep our friends waiting. Okay, you know what? I'll be a gentleman and give him 1 minute. 1 minute should be fine.
Hi.
Hi, dear. So where is he taking you to?
He says his friend's birthday is today.
Mama, why are you finding it so difficult to tell this guy you don't want him in your life? I mean, why are you still indulging him?
I am not. The truth is, I do not want to cause issues between two brothers.
That's what you're doing exactly.
I am just being careful.
Baby, you're already causing problem. Because if you refuse to choose your stand. Okay, I came to know your response about my proposal. Right, let me know the final answer. Besides, I've told my father about it. And he's waiting patiently to hear from you.
I'll have to talk to you about that some other time, please. We're running late.
It's okay.
My dear, please, may we go, please. Some people, yeah, he's not invited to the party. I mean, come on, where was he when God chose us, eh? Where was he when God chose us, my love? Please go in. Oh, I'm sorry, my love. I mean, these things happen when urchins are alright. Urchin. Okay.
Amanda wanema pubagala. Echemna nyikabofuo. Amanda waneme kobegeko. Echemna nyikabofuo.
If I continue like this, I am going to lose Oma to Ejiofor. She said she will call me, and up until now she has not. Why is he pestering my life? She should let me be.
I know why you are so worried. Tobina, the handwriting is clearly written on the wall. Why are you bothering your life with Oma? Why don't you just move on with your mistress?
Mother, with due respect, I will not take this joke from you, please.
Joke? I don't joke.
Then you must be dreaming. And you need to wake up from your slumber. Because if you ever think I will leave Oma for a Jofon, it's unfortunate because I would never do that.
You shouldn't be wasting your time. Because already Oma is aware of your mistress.
You think you can hold me down with that? Well, let me bust your brain. I don't have anything intimate with Ife. And will never have.
Medicine after death. Listen, son. Obinna, be wise so that you will not lose both ends. Be wise.
Good day, Your Highness. Good day, my prince. I came to inform my prince that he has a guest.
A guest?
Yes, my prince.
A male or female?
Female, my prince.
Did you ask her name?
No, my prince.
Okay. Tell her I will see her soon.
Thank you, my prince.
And it was Ozan.
Want to fuss this life, watch your step. Want to get everything, be careful. You want to fuss this life, watch your steps. Not the risky, one more. Want to fuss this life, watch your steps. Want to get everything, be careful. You want to fuss this life, watch your steps. Not the risky, one more.
Hi.
You must come here unannounced.
But I've been calling your phone and you refuse to pick my calls.
So why didn't you wait till I pick the calls before you start coming here?
Are you serious? Why are you talking to me like that?
Why would I talk to you like that?
Why?
Must you bring yourself where you're not wanted? Must you show yourself? At least you need to take permission. Come on.
So why are you not putting me?
Oh, our future queen. Welcome. Wow.
Thank you, my queen.
I want to seize this opportunity to apologize for what happened the other day. I'm sorry.
It's okay. I have already forgotten about it.
You did? She has... My goodness, that's good. That means you have a wonderful heart. Keep it up, okay? Oh my... What? Agogo! Your brother's fiancé. Is she not beautiful? Eh? Obinna, why are you keeping her here? Take her inside and offer her a seat and every other thing, okay? I'm sure your father will be very happy to see her. Welcome. Oh. Anyway, let me excuse you, okay? Oh my God!
What is going on?
See, you must leave here immediately. You are not wanted here now.
What are you talking?
There's a situation on ground. And you can't be found here, right?
My brother is saying the truth. You have to leave right now.
I'll give you some money for your inconvenience, right? This will be enough to fuel your car full time. Can you have it?
You have to go, okay?
Must you come here unannounced?
My goodness, that's good. That means you have a wonderful heart. Keep it up, okay? Obinna, why are you keeping her here? Take her inside and offer her a seat. I'm sure your father will be very happy to see her. Welcome. Oh.
There's a situation on ground, and you can't be found here, right?
I mean, he wasn't even happy when he saw me. The moment he saw me, he was so angry. And then came the drama from the father's second wife. Take her inside. Your father will be very happy to meet you. Man, what's all the drama about? And then he said there is a situation on ground. I mean, what kind of situation? I'm still wondering why he... Anyways.
Peace and harmony. Mama, why?
You'll be wondering why I haven't called up until now. What will I even say to him? Oh. He's calling. I don't even know what to say to him. Ejiofor said he's seriously in love with someone else. Does he want to hurt someone in order to marry me? Oh, no way. Heavens no, I cannot allow such. Oh, no way.
Odibez, I would like to talk to you.
About what?
My son told me that he had issues with your son last night concerning Oma, Onowu's daughter.
How is that my business? I mean, how does it concern me?
It concerns you. Is Obinna not your son? Pico, just talk to him. Tell him to mind his own fiancé. Onye ọbụna nọ na lane ya.
Odunze, I can't believe that this is what you came here to tell me. You're not well. And let me tell you, this will be the last time you'll ever try this rubbish with me again. Why do I even have the feelings that you're afraid? I mean, you're so scared that your son cannot compete with my son over Onowu's daughter.
Me? Odunze? Scared? Me? Afraid? Afraid of what?
Of course I do. I'm a maybe. Of course I know. From the pit of hell. You came from the pit of hell. Odunze, tell that your son that he shouldn't dare my son again. Else I will tell him to deal with him decisively.
Both of you are...
Yeah, better go and warn your son. No?
Both of you are just daydreaming. You think it is by height? Tell your son to stop daydreaming. Say Wapugodu. Say Yagagodo one side. You are the shameless one.
You have no iota of shame.
You are shameless. Or the best.
Hey!
You're shameless. Nanya. If what people are looking for, you will not get it. It will never happen.
Okay, make it from Nanya.
Bet me now.
Okay, make it from Nanya. Okay, make it from Nanya. My son will marry Onowu's daughter and nothing will happen. It will happen. It will happen before your very eyes. Open my mouth, oh, what God do say?
Rubbish.
Troublemaker.
Opagi.
Ana azalenia. Izo sia di zo ba mu ye nwa. Always dragging. Ana azale. Akban so opagi. I will deal with you in this house. Frog order. want to contend with me.
Ukamaka, your husband does not know what God gave to him.
Really?
Of course. You are one of the most beautiful women in Ametiti.
Are you saying I'm more beautiful than the daughter of Uno?
Of course you are. Listen, beauty they say is the eyes of the beholder.
I know.
To me, Iche is Oku. You are more beautiful than any woman you can think of. Hey.
Is that not my husband coming?
Your husband? Bless you.
Ichezu, what happened?
My car developed fault.
You developed fault?
Yes.
Have you been able to call a mechanic?
Oh yes, I've called my mechanic.
Well,
On his way, yes.
He's coming.
Yes.
Let us wait then so that...
No. You can be going. It might take a longer time.
I hope you are fine.
No problem. I will wait for him.
Have you called him again?
No, don't worry. And he's a good mechanic, eh? Okay. Call him.
Never been this embarrassed and humiliated in my life before.
I don't get it. Wait a minute. Are you trying to say that he hasn't called you since then?
My sister, he has not. He has not. I have this feeling something is wrong. I know something is wrong, but I can't place my hands on anything.
Why I told you to define your relationship with Obina, but you wouldn't listen. You see it now?
Greetings to you all.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon. How are you doing?
I'm very fine, thank you. Ify, we'll talk on phone, okay? I'll leave you to now. Excuse me.
Ify, how are you doing?
Obina, why have you not been picking your calls?
That's because I was not in the mood to talk over the phone.
The same mood that you were in yesterday that you embarrassed me. Obina, what is going on?
That's exactly why I'm here. You see, if we've known each other for a very long time, right? And I want you to bear with me, right? And try to understand what I'm about to tell you. Okay?
Okay, I hope you are not here to break my heart because you have already done that already. What else do you want to say?
It's not meant to break your heart, Ify. Right? It's just for both of us to go our separate ways, forge ahead with our lives.
Okay. I'm listening. Is that all? Obina, say what you want to say. I think you have more to say. Say it. Okay. I get it. You have a girl in your life that you love so much, so you want me to back out. Obinna, say it. That you're in love with another person. Is that what you want to tell me? Say it and leave my house. Just go. I am waiting for you to talk, Obinna. I am sorry. I have to move on with my life. I want you to. Obinna, can't you talk? You can't talk. Obinna, say it. Obinna, have I ever cheated on you before, have I? I knew you've been deceiving me. I knew. Obinna, what have I done? No. Talk. Just say it. Say it. Say it and leave. Say it. Obinna, I have never cheated on you before. Never. Okay, I'm listening. You can't talk.
I believe you and I can put a stop to this problem in our family. That is why I want us to talk.
So, how do you want us to do that?
We can start by calling our brothers to order. Obinna, for example, is more mature than Ejiofor. Why don't you ask him to forget about Oma? I mean, after all, we all know he has someone in his life.
Really? Is that what you think? And did Obinna tell you that he wants to marry Ife?
But they've been dated for years now.
Tessie, please, if you want this issue to be settled, just go and tell your brother, Ejiofor, to give my brother the respect he deserves as the other brother in this family.
How do you mean?
Just tell your brother to leave Oma for my brother.
You and I know that Ejiofor cannot do that.
So who will? My brother? No, I'm sorry. By the way, I heard how your mother and your brother go around telling people that my brother is a Casanova and he has a fiancé.
Adugo, I can see you do not want us to settle this matter.
It's you that do not want this matter to be settled. Tessie, please. As you can see, I am tired. And please, don't just get me angry this afternoon. I'm sorry.
Why was she sounding that way?
Please, why are you crying? What happened?
Obinna has done it. Obinna has done what?
Obinna said he cannot marry me.
What?
Yes. He said we're just friends.
Oh, sweetie. I want you. But you wouldn't listen. Now look at it.
I gave that idiot 4 years of my life. 4 years. How do I start again? I gave him every single thing that I had. How?
Why are men so wicked? They are never satisfied. It's okay, sweetie. I know how you feel. I've been there. Listen, Ife, you don't need to be like this. No man is worth crying for. They don't want it. They are all worthless.
Like, see, Obinna. No. I swear, Obinna will pay for it. Obinna will never marry any woman, not even when I'm alive. Me.
Sweetheart, Listen, you don't need to break down for any reason, okay? I've always known you as a very strong lady.
Get out of here. Who the hell are you? I don't have your time. I don't have your time.
I'm talking to you.
Have you gone bonkers? Is something wrong with you?
Are you nuts?
Have you gone bonkers?
Are you stupid?
Are you just crazy? Something wrong. What are you not smoking? Are you crazy? Why did you touch me? Listen, what?
Get to my
You are you? Who are you?
You don't know me.
Who are you? Who are you? Listen, I've built my body to absorb beef. You are nothing, okay?
What's going on?
Mom, forget this fool here. He's a nobody.
What's going on here?
Did you hear that? Did you hear that? You call me a fool? You are a fool. You call me a fool. You are a fool, Obina. Obina, you are a fool. You don't know me. Who are you? You don't know me. You don't know me. Who are you? You don't know me. Who are you? You ask me how.
Why did you push me now? You are looking for trouble now.
You pushed me. Did you just push me? Are you mad? Obina, you crazy. Obina, you mad. You push me.
Is a gun on me?
Who are you? Who are you? Okay.
Bien.
Okay.
Bien.
Put it down. I'll end this once and for all. Let's do this. Obina, let's do this. Obina.
Put that gun down.
Mom, clear from the way. Clear from the way. Stay away from this, mom. What? What? I will kill you like what?
Chofia, I was here earlier today and I was told you went to the palace.
I went to the palace to see you. What I saw there is terrible. Hey!
What did you see?
As we speak right now, Ezu, there is serious war going on in the palace between Igwe's wives and children.
Did I hear you say war?
His two sons are fighting themselves over the Onowu's daughter. Both of them want to marry her. Two persons interested in one person.
At the heart of their minds? Yeah. But wait, is Igwe aware of this?
Certainly, I wouldn't say for sure because because of the outstanding issue, I couldn't see him in the palace. I have to turn back and face back home.
How could both brothers be fighting over a woman? Huh?
It's a problem. Somebody that just came back not quite long ago. Ezuku, you need to see what I saw there today. The war there was as if two communities are fighting over a land. Even the guards couldn't do anything to help.
Ichofia, are you telling me the truth?
Of course.
No. Igwe and Onowu should do something about this. Huh?
You have to.
Ofia, there's no problem. I've seen you.
Ew.
Wow. It's terrible. Chofia, I will see you on my way back. Yes. I will see him.
Better.
I got a call from Igwe now that his house is on fire and it is because of you.
Me? How?
As I speak with you now, Prince Obiona and the Ejiofor are in a serious fight. In fact, the entire household are fighting because of you.
Why are they fighting? Why are they fighting? I can't possibly marry two brothers.
That's more the reason you make your choice between them. To me, Prince Obiona is more preferable because he seems more responsible.
Father, I beg to disagree. He is not. He is seeing someone else secretly. Yes, Ejiofor told me all about the affairs. And as a matter of fact, she visited him just 2 days back.
Have you discussed it with him to hear him out before you draw your conclusion? Because Prince Ejiofor is capable of anything. He might be telling you all these lies just to bias your mind. That's why you have to be very, very careful these days.
confused. Why are they fighting? What are they fighting for?
I think I will see Ubah before this matter gets out of hand.
What's look good outside may not be so inside this palace.
I am ashamed to hear that you and your younger brother were fighting over a woman. I am more ashamed of you, Obinna.
Father, Ejiofor started it. He has no right to talk to me the way he likes in this palace.
But you are the more matured amongst the two of you. Therefore, you shouldn't have fought him in the first place.
That's okay.
Father, you know Ejiofor very well. I mean, you know him too well. You know the kind of nasty words that can come out of his mouth. They can be very provocating sometimes, Dad.
Then you should have reported him to me.
That's okay, no.
But Your Majesty.
I don't want to hear anything from you.
Actually, my king, well, I'm sorry about what happened on our behalf. I'm very sorry. It will never happen again.
We are sorry, it won't happen again.
Now listen, all of you. I want to warn that if this ever repeats itself in this palace or wherever, I will punish whosoever that starts it very severely. Gwenodunze.
Yes, my king.
Tell Ejiofor to see me immediately he comes back.
Father kept blaming me for everything. I mean, he kept blaming me. How could he expect me to keep quiet each time Ejiofor insults me in this house?
Honestly, he shouldn't have blamed you. Knowing fully well how Ejiofor is.
But he did. He kept blaming me and my mother. Oh yes.
Calm down. Nothing has spoiled yet.
Mom, everything is almost spoiling. In fact, it's spoiled already. Because my father's attitude this afternoon was a big shock to me. I couldn't believe that. Imagine my father looking me in the face to tell me that he is disappointed in me. How does that go down with you?
You know, I think Ejiofor's mother is up to something. Because that woman can do anything to get away with this matter.
She will never have her way this time around. I will not allow it. I still need to talk to your father in private. I have some things to explain to him. I know that woman's trick. Yeah. But she will never get away with that trick this time around. She won't get away with it.
Oh, Allah.
I said it. She's up to something.
What's it for him? Mama, your father told me how angry you are when he came to the palace yesterday. So I came to apologize to you. I'm sincerely sorry.
Who is the lady? I was told you're in a serious relationship with her.
Is there a lady? Yes. Is she my friend? Of course. But we have nothing intimate. I mean, we've been friends for long and I have never for one day proposed to her. I never promised her marriage. Honey, I knew you were coming back and I've been waiting for you.
Do you think she'll be happy if she gets to find out that you are calling it quits because of me?
I've already done that. Yeah, honey, see. I don't want anything to come in between us. That's the truth. Don't mind Ejiofor. I mean, he's only bent on biasing your mind against me. I don't know why.
Maybe you You want to fuss this life, watch your step. You want to get everything, be careful. You want to fuss this life, watch your steps. Not the risky, one more. You want to fuss this life, watch your steps. You want to get everything, be careful. You want to fuss this life, watch your steps. Not the risky, one more.
Yes, Oma, I need us to see, please.
I said she can't see you.
The last time I checked, I wasn't talking to you, so please put yourself in your place, okay? My darling, please, may we just see, please?
Didn't you hear me? I said she can't see you. We are discussing. Have you lost your manners? I mean, we're in the middle of something very serious.
You see, for you, I have loads of insults in my archives. Don't let me rain them on you as usual.
Ejiofor, please, please. I am not in a good mood. Please, just go home. I'll get back to you.
It's very obvious you can't be in a good mood when you're with him. Please, let's go in. I mean, I can't allow you to stay with him. You see, you see this? He has a girlfriend. So why don't you just go stay with your girlfriend and leave this pretty girl alone? Haven't you done enough already?
Fine. I will get back to you. Please.
As a matter of fact, I cannot leave it. My character, I can't let you be with such a person. You shouldn't be in the same circuit with him. I'll be waiting right here for you until you're done.
Please, can you just go?
Don't worry, my dear. I am here waiting patiently. I am going nowhere. Finish up.
Amanda Wandema Pubagala Echemna Nikabofu Amanda Wandema Kobego Echemna Nikabofu
Naira. So this woman has this kind of money in this house, and yet she kept quarreling Papa over feeding money. This woman is so wicked. She is worse than Jezebel.
Ebuka, where did you get that money from? I hope you did not enter my room. Eh? Give it to me.
So Mama, you have this kind of money in this house? Eh, Mama? So you have this kind of money in this house?
Ebuka, I want to believe you have not tampered with this money. Eh? Well, anyway, you can tell your father about the money. I don't care.
Mama, what you're doing is not good. It's not good at all. So you have decided that you will not support Papa in carrying any responsibility in this family. Eh, Mama?
Do I look like ants?
Mama, you know the reason why I dropped out from school. Mama, why are you behaving like this?
That is what I'm asking.
Why are you doing all this to us?
Ebuka, do I look like ants that carry overload? Eh? Like I said, you can tell your father about the money. As for you, I will never leave my door unlocked again.
Mama, this is height of wickedness. This is height of... You're worse than Jezebel. Cho! You're wicked.
Drinking. Give it to me. Why? Why do you have to do this? You want to kill yourself all because of a man? Why? Look at the way you turned the whole house upside down.
He won't understand. He won't understand.
Ife, do you have to go through all this? It's not worth it. I mean, the man is out there enjoying himself. And you're here killing yourself. What for? I drink to forget it. I mean, my sorrows. If I drink, I won't remember anything. That's why I'm drinking. If you please, do not do this to yourself again. I beg you. Are you telling me that? Did you stop Obina from breaking my heart? I mean, if you couldn't stop Obina, why do you want to stop me? Because I can't. No. I said no. You're not even interested. Do my drink. Give me my drink. Why are you doing this to yourself? I don't want this one. Give me my drink. Just look at how you turned the whole house upside down. Give me my drink. I don't want to get angry. Please, just give it to me. Don't let me vex, so. You need to get up. Get up, go take a shower. Get up. If you please. If you please, I beg you. This is not the best way. I mean, it's not worth it. Please. Okay? I'm not going anywhere. Just give me my drink. Leave me. Bring my drink. I need my drink now. Please. Now you're going to make me cry. Is that the best? Let's go. You need to take a shower. If you please, let's go.
Chioma, you think the Igwe can settle this matter?
My dear, the Igwe has the final say. But I don't know. It's taking him time to take decisions.
Who do you think will marry the Onowo's daughter?
Obina, of course. Obina is the only one that can marry Oma. Ejofo is too rough. I myself, I can't even marry Ejofo.
What about his girlfriend? Do you think she will let go?
Whether she lets go or not. What I know is that Obina cannot forgo Oma to marry her. She should know that by now.
Well, Moon is that the Igwe should put a stop to all this problem before something else happens here.
My dear, you're right too. Because when this whole thing gets to something else, Osoneme, I'll leave you go and run.
If you run, I follow you. But for the meantime, let me go for they say we are gossiping again.
Please go, my dear.
I will continue with it.
Okay, my dear.
We were at peace. We were happy. We were living in peace and harmony. Mama, why? Why? Ginikinaza. What's up to a baby? I begin the danger. I begin looking you. Nigga, the fame very one them brother man, my friend, follow where you live. One them I wanna one Suzu.
What is the matter?
What is the matter?
We need to talk.
Where are you coming from?
Onowo's place.
We can talk. We can talk here. There's no one.
No, let's go to your room, please.
No,
please.
no. We can talk here. There's no one. Nobody is around. But by the way, you said you were coming from Onowo's house.
Yes.
Are you aware that he was here earlier?
What for?
I don't know. He spent over 1 hour with your father.
Doing what?
Discussing.
Discussing. Anyways, the major thing I need now is that Obina's mistress's number, Ife.
What do you need it for?
Mom, I just need it for something very important, please. Very important.
Adugo has her number.
You're joking?
I don't joke. She said she collected it from her the day Obina brought her.
Okay. Okay. Alright, so get it from her now.
You go and get it.
You know the way Adugo behaves. You get it from her.
She'll give you.
Adugo is slimy. You get it from her for me, please.
Greetings, Father.
Are you alright, Oma?
Not really, Father. Ejiofor left here not long ago. I am tired of all this, Father. I mean, why are two brothers at loggerheads with each other because of me? Obinna doesn't want to let go, neither does Ejiofor. I am tired. The pressure from both brothers is becoming... honestly, I'm becoming restless.
Well, that shouldn't bother you. We have taken a decision on that.
What decision?
Igwe has taken a decision among his two sons who will be your husband.
Who?
Come with me.
Maybe you want to fuss this life, watch your step. You want to get everything, be careful. You want to fuss this life, watch your steps. Not the Paris, one name. Maybe you want to fuss this life, watch your steps.
Ejiofor.
Yes, ma'am.
Whenever I see you and Obinna playing, my heart bleeds.
Mom, please, before you continue, I noticed your sarcastic smile downstairs. What really is the matter?
I call it a miracle that I still smile with them. I hate that woman. Odibese dealt with me. Your father was my first boyfriend. I had a very good relationship with him. Everything was headed towards marriage. Along the line, Odibese jumped into the relationship. You know, the painful part of it is that she was my best friend. She snatched your father from me. Your father married her first. And as luck would have it, he later came for me. And because I love him so much, I agreed to marry him. But by then, it was kind of late because she has had Obinna. That is why Obinna is the crown prince instead of you. Not just that. Your father has shown me that he does not love you. That he loves Obinna more than he loves you. He's been giving him a lot of things. The latest that happened was that the government brought 2 contracts, 2 slots of a huge contract to your father. And he gave it to his favorite 2 people, himself and Obinna. Now you know why I am so pained. Obinna is the one getting the better part of your father's wealth. If anything should happen to your father tomorrow, Obinna becomes king. Now you know why I am so embittered. You need to wake up, son. You need to wake up.
Oh, yeah, Vicky. Have you seen my brother this morning?
You're my princess.
Does that mean he's still in bed?
Yes, my princess.
Okay, no problem. Just let's go inside. I want you to do something for me, okay?
What's look good outside may not be so.
Am I your mate that you cannot greet me? Eh?
Mother, I greeted you this morning.
You did what? You did what? Fool! Liar! Do I look like your mother you lied to?
You slapped me!
And I will slap you again if you keep lying. My friend, greet me and get out.
Good morning.
Zuzu in Beacon. Fool. Where are you going? You two want to pass. Have you greeted me? Where? Eh? Kneel down. You will remain here until I come back.
Where is she? Where is she? Oduze! Oduze, come here.
Stop shouting.
Oduze,
yes?
Why did you slap my daughter?
Yeah, but your daughter.
I'm asking you, why did you slap my daughter?
You have to teach your daughter to respect her elders.
And what's that?
Teach her to greet her elders whenever she sees them.
So she didn't greet you?
Did she greet me, Annie?
Did you greet her or not?
Yes, Mother, I greeted her.
You heard her. So why did you slap her?
Ngwa, Mike Ejaga, cut up. Tell your mother.
Yeah, Vicky. You've been here. So tell me nothing but the truth. Did my daughter greet Oduze or not?
Yes, my prince, she did.
If you try it, if you touch her, I'm going to go Abacha this afternoon.
Yeah. Did you just push me?
And I'll push you down if you try it again.
I'll try one here.
Then okay.
Don't try it again.
Don't
try it.
Why will you slap my daughter?
Why would I slap her?
Why will you slap her?
Why would I slap her? You're not training her well. You're not training her well. Is it by
force that she will greet you? Is it by force?
Don't try it again.
Salutation is not love. Salutation is not love. We can't force her to greet you.
If you touch me next time, the story of David and Goliath will repeat itself. It's not by size.
Can you beat me?
It is not by size.
Can you beat me? Let us get woman to woman. Can you get out? Get
out. Consider yourself fired. Just consider.
My friend. Yeah, Bachaya go. Behave yourself. Get up.
Will you kneel down there? I said get up. I said kneel down. Come and kneel down there. Kneel down. Go. If you get up, I'll kill you.
Maybe you want to fuss this life, watch your step. You want to get everything, be careful. You want to fuss this life, watch your steps. Not the risky, one more. Maybe you want to fuss this life, watch your steps.
You know what? Even if I am going to do this, I am definitely not doing this because of you. I am doing this because I want Obinna back.
It's a pity what Obinna has done to you. Just look at you. Look what he has turned you into. You see, the point of consensus is that I'm a man. And I walk into a man's mind faster than you. Another point of concession is that Obinna is my brother. So I walk into his mind faster than yours. I know Obinna. I understand Obinna. I grew up with him. I grew up knowing him. I understand his thought process. So you see, my dear, Obinna is out to frustrate you. He's succeeding. I mean, just look at you. Look at you.
Aren't you too beautiful for this?
You think I'm going to allow this happen?
Well, it will continue happening until you stop it from happening.
My prince, I am broken. I need Obinna back. By the way, how did you get my number?
Obinna, what have you done to her memory too? Well, we exchanged numbers the first day you came to the palace.
Wow. That's very interesting.
Well, interesting as it is, I have to take my leave now. Please manage this to ease up some pain.
And I insist I do not need your money. Thank you so much, my prince.
I understand, but you must also understand it's a cashless society. I don't carry cash. I'll sign you another check or make a transfer to you if you kindly send me your account details.
My prince, I insist I do not need your money. Thank you.
Ubinna, what have you done to this girl? There's more where that came from. Have a nice day.
Want to fuss this life, watch your step. Want to get everything, be careful. You want to fuss this life, watch your steps. Not the risky, one more. Want to fuss this life, watch your steps. Want to get everything, be careful. You want to fuss this life, watch your steps. Not the risky, one more. Malukwa na mwagwa dia tafifia manja. Malukwa na mwodogu. Maneme na kira, biko eme na kira. Oge maybe kwife.
Greetings.
Hello. Greetings.
Are you Oma?
Yes, I am Oma. How may I help you?
Actually, I came to beg you for something.
I don't even know you.
My name is Ifeanyi. I am Prince Obinna's fiancé. Yes. I have been with him for so many years. I've come to beg you to leave him for me, please. I mean, I've been waiting for him all my life. Please, I've come to beg you. You have to leave him for me, please. You're not saying anything? Okay, let me warn you. Please. 4 years, I can't throw it away like that. I cannot. Leave him for me. I am begging you. Please. You're still not saying anything.
Want to fuss this life, watch your step. Want to get everything, be careful. You want to fuss this life, watch your steps. Not the risky, one more. Want to fuss this life, watch your steps. Want to get everything, be careful. You want to fuss this life, watch your steps. Not the risky, one more.
Mom? Hello, Mother. Yeah, I'm on my way to see my laundry guy. I'll be back in a jiffy. What? That I should turn back? Mom, is everything alright? Okay, Mom. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, no problem. I'm turning. Yeah. Could be wrong. Yeah, hi, Oma. What's going on? I mean, how could she do a thing like that? I mean, what is going on? No. I need to get to the root of this, right? I have to. Mom can wait. Mom, I'll see you later. How is it your business? You think I don't know what you're up to, right? You think I don't know what you're up to? Eh? You want me to strangle you right away?
Obinna, let him go.
Can you imagine what you're doing? In front of a lady? How gentle.
Oh, shut up your mouth!
Obinna,
shut up!
Not fight in my house!
No, shut up! You're the cause of all this nonsense!
You are the cause of this, not me!
I said leave this girl alone! What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you?